welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is perfect for the summer. It's this lovely sugar-free Chikoo Milkshake. Very few ingredients, but so refreshing, so light that whenever you're really hungry and you don't have a real super big meal, just have this milkshake. It will fill you up, and plus it's got all healthy ingredients. So let's jump into the recipe. So guys, wasn't that a real interesting recipe? Simple yet delicious. So I want to thank my friends Damini and Ankush, because these chikoos were from their organic farm and they were really lovely. We ate most of them and I just used the last 3 to make some lovely milkshake and share it with all of you. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell. Click on all, that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. Till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye!